It's time for an announcement. So, for the last few weeks during quarantine, what I've been doing is putting together a Welsh course for beginners. So you can access it on the platform Thinkific. And what it contains is all the things you need to be able to have a basic conversation in North Wales Welsh. Some examples of things you will be able to say by the end of the course. Mae hi'n hanner awr wedi 3 a dwi newydd fwyta. Dwi eisiau coffi, sgen ti bres? Eisi allan neithiwr a dwi wedi blino heddiw. Be fyddi di wneud ar y penwythnos? We talk about the past, the future, using if, talking about the weather, talking about what I have to do, what I can do, what I'm allowed to do. We talk about hobbies, our family members, we use mutation, we talk about all the different ways you can say yes and no, and some other things too. Now, if you are already pretty good at Welsh and you've been studying it, I think this course is still good because most resources out there use South Wales Welsh, and most resources out there don't really give you the chance to practice your listening that well. So what I have in every unit is a listening practice where I say each thing 3 times, very fast, just like a gog, someone from the north would say, then a bit slower, and then even slower. My aim with this is to help you practice really picking out the way we speak, because it can be really different from the way we write. So let me give you an example. Sa'n byd I wneud o gwmpas fama. Does na ddim byd I wneud o gwmpas fama. Does yna ddim byd i'w wneud o gwmpas fama. Now, would you know what I'd said without the slow breakdown? Have a look at the link. There's a little free preview so you can start the course and see what you think. And up until the 8th of June, it's 20% off. And what's more, if you sign up before Monday at midnight, the 1st of June, you can book a one-to-one hour with me for 50% off the usual price. So let me know. You can subscribe as well to my newsletter, which is completely free, and that will give you once a month some tips about Welsh, some fun facts about Wales, a bit of history, and a secret lesson that you can only access if you're signed up to the newsletter. So that's what I've been doing. What about you? Be amdanoch chi?